unboxing surprise parcel. Let's go. I don't know what's in the parcel, so let's open it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's open it, guys.
This is the parcel.
This is the parcel. Let's open it.
Mama. Oh, you don't open it.
What's that?
Wow.
Emma punya warna pink.
Wow! It's a straw.
Dan kalau ni tak apa kan?
We can drink from these. Wait, I'm trying to open it.
Dalam buka Doraemon.
Macam mana nak pasang?
Kalau buka tu ada tayar. Kan dalam boleh tak ya pada dalam buka?
Wait,
Iman.
Oh, dia macam tu.
Kalau buka.
Uh-oh.
What?
That is that. Macam mana ni, Wan?
Cocok kat dalam dia.
Macam mana nak pasang? Wan tak tahu dia macam mana.
Mana tu? Mana tu?
How to use it? First, you take the water, and then you put the
First you take the water and put
short
this.
one in your mouth, and the longer one at the cup, in the cup. Let's try it. It works, guys.
Emma? Emma tak payahlah. Pakai. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.